Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I shall be sharing with you a very simple recipe of body scrub. The festive season is over. The upcoming season is the marriage season where you want to look your best. For that, I have a very simple and easy body scrub which I am going to start with. This will help to exfoliate dead skin cells from your body and help you to get a very glowing skin. It makes your skin shiny, smooth and supple. It will remove all dead skin cells. Whatever makeup you apply, whatever clothes you wear, it will give you the glowing look as good as the bride. So even if you are a bride, you can use this body scrub which you will keep ready for your wedding. To start with, I have just used 3 simple ingredients which are easily available for you. If you don't have those ingredients, I'll tell you the substitute also at the end of the video. First of all, I'm using this used coffee grounds, that is I have made filter coffee out of this and the leftover residue is these coffee grounds. It has natural exfoliating properties. It may also stimulate blood flow to your skin and it will reduce the appearance of cellulites because of the properties of this coffee grounds. It also has antioxidant properties which will combat free radicals which can contribute to the signs of aging. Therefore, using coffee grounds in your body scrub is highly beneficial. The next ingredient is a brightening agent, that would be none other than our famous turmeric powder. I am using 2 tablespoons of this turmeric powder for 1 cup of coffee grounds. It can brighten your skin, lighten your blemishes. If you have any dark spots, this mixing with this coffee ground will help to remove the dark spots. Using haldi will also give you complexion, that glow which you need during your wedding season. The next would be a face wash or any body shampoo, something which you would want to mix all these ingredients so that it will lather and will help you to easily scrub the dead skin cells of your body using some face wash or a body scrub. The method would be simple. All you need to do is mix all these ingredients one by one. I'm using 1 cup of coffee grounds and I'm using 2 tablespoons of the haldi powder and 2 teaspoons of the face wash and mix everything thoroughly and make a paste out of it. You can easily store this in the refrigerator and use whenever you want. This need not be used on your face because the coffee grounds are quite thick and it will be little bit of harsh on your sensitive facial skin. Therefore, this is best to use only on your body. To make it a little bit moisturizing, you can add oil. I'll be using vitamin E oil. You can use coconut oil or even almond oil, olive oil, whatever you find it is good for your skin. So mix all this up. You can make a fine paste of it and this lovely body scrub is ready. So if you don't have coffee grounds, you can use powder of rice or even besan or even powders made of flours which will have some roughness to it. You can use it. So to use this on your body, you need to wet your body. Whenever you have a bath, just wet your body and take a little bit of this scrub and gently in a circular motion you have to rub it or massage it all over your body to remove the dead skin cell. Don't wipe it harshly, otherwise you will feel a little bit of scratches on the body because of the coffee scrub. If you are using a different exfoliator other than the coffee grounds like rice flour, you can use it however you want, even on your face if you're comfortable. Generally, using a scrub on face is not recommended because of the sensitivity of the facial skin, but if you're okay, you can do it because it will also exfoliate dead skin cells on the skin. So here I have washed off the body scrub and I've applied a light moisturizer, and you can see the texture of the skin has changed immediately drastically. So this may be an instant glow giving body scrub. You can see the difference of the two skins where I have just scrubbed and moisturized. It gives a glowing skin. So you can store the body scrub in a bowl and keep it in the refrigerator and use it whenever you want. Since it has no other ingredients, you can keep this for a month or so and use it whenever you want. So this is a best way of immediately if you're looking for a glowing skin, a best way of using a body scrub which will moisturize your skin, also exfoliate your skin. Just removing the dead skin cells on your body will instantly give a glowing look on your body, and it's always important that you moisturize the skin immediately after you have used an body scrub, any type of body scrub. Even if you buy a store-bought one, then you need to moisturize the skin. So try this and see how it works for you. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.